Hey guys, just arrived here at Bass with the family. Really excited to get this Glock. I'll show you guys later how it is and to show you the inside of Bass. We're here at the Bass in Bolingbrook, Illinois. Really excited to pick it up.
Now, this is as neatly organized as you're ever going to see this box.
So true.
Cool.
Here she is. Remember the Glock 21?
Oh, we have a 21 and 45, that's right.
We're going to do it. This is the way. Cool. First block?
No.
Okay, so you're familiar with the layout and everything?
Yeah.
Cool. So you've got the two additional magazines. I don't know how many
No, I got another one additional.
I got one of the ones you pull from the front, so if I'm going out for 200 to 300 rounds, it's a lot easier, because after 200 rounds, you will actually get one of them to read my hand. Orange manual packet. Get a popular safety thing with like this. Alright, I'm going to ask you well, congratulations on what happened.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thanks again. Thanks again, Ben. Take care now. Take care. Hey guys, how's it going? Here I have the Glock 21 in the case. Showing you the case right here. I'm gonna open it up. Okay, and there she is. Comes with the magazine. Comes with 3 magazines, I believe. Right here, and then one here. They hold 13 bullets each one, and it comes with the lock and the key right here to unlock it as well. All that good stuff. Manual. Yeah, really fan of the Glock 21. I tried it at the range several times and absolutely loved it. Can't wait to also put in some red dot and the flashlight. I want to make this my carry, so I'm really a fan of it. And I can't wait to try it out at the range. Probably next month add some the red dot and the flashlight. Really excited about it. There's the sights. Yep, amazing gun overall. I really like it. It's 45 caliber, and yep, like I said, it comes with 13 on it. So, yep, look at that. Overall, amazing gun. Really excited. Can't wait to actually carry this. Try it out at range. Yep, amazing gun. Alright guys, also wanted to show you the Condition 1 case I got for my 2 pistols. So excited to show you guys this one. Here, open this up. Okay. And there she is. Really like this. Put this box over here for now. And really like this. I bought this specifically for the range. Can't wait to start using it. I'll show you guys the inside of it as well. Turn this around. Wow. So here, I'll show you guys right here. So here I can fit magazines, the pistols right here on the side. I can put my headsets, ammo, all the accessories for the range. Just overall, anything, eyeglasses, gloves, you name it. Great box. I love the style of it. And here you can also add additional storage, anything you like, ammo, like I said, eye gear, and you know, anything additional stuff for your guns for the range. Like I said, I'm a huge fan of this box. I saw it on, I believe, Facebook and had to get it. Got to me within a couple days, 3 days of shipping. It's made in the US. Great box. I'm a huge fan of this, like I said, and you name it, you can put all your gun needs here. Okay guys, so here I'll show you, got my Glock. Just gonna put this right here. Show you how to put the magazines as well, how they fit perfectly in. Let's put another one in there just to show you guys. You can put my earmuffs in there. Ammunition right here on the side. And I got my glasses. Got my pocket knife as well. Can put these in one of the pockets, or just leave it right in here. Everything fits perfectly well. Okay, also wanted to show you guys from my last video the Springfield 1911. Right there. Beautiful gun. And I'll just be showing off again my 1911. I'm going to put this also in the case with the 10 mag. That probably won't fit, it's a little extended. So I'll just put this on the side, and everything fits well. Everything is great. Love it. Huge fan of this case. I'm going to close it right here so you guys see you can close properly. There you go. All good. Yeah. Can't wait to show you guys the Glock at the range. Really excited for that. Thanks for watching, guys.
All right.